Have you ever wondered how to turn your words into stunning visual creations? Look no further than Leonardo.ai, the revolutionary software designed to bring your imagination to life.
Dev Dash on the mic, here to bring the heat. Gaming, animation, and I can't be beat. K's our master, he's the king of the blade. Join us on this journey, it's a wild arcade.
Let us dive in and create some incredible art with this easy-to-use tool. First, we need to sign up with our email to get early access. After that, we will get provided a link in the email from where we can use this AI. Let us check the pricing. Here, in $10 per month, you can get 8.5K tokens per month. In $24 per month, you can get 25K tokens per month. In $48 per month, you can get 60K tokens per month, and in free you will get 150 tokens per day, which is not kinda bad. The Leonardo.ai provide tons of featured models to generate image. You can use your own prompt or pre-generated image prompt. I will use this image as a reference. Here, you can select image quantity and quality. Now watch as Leonardo.ai transforms your words into a beautiful work of art in seconds. Our result is ready. We can download our image from here. We can upscale the image. We can remove background of image and many more. That now lets us create more images with different models. Now let us use other text prompt. Now, let us try image to image again. See how easy it is to create stunning visuals with Leonardo.ai. Use this tool to make unique and personalized gifts for loved ones, or simply add some artistic flair to your online content. And that is it. That is how you use Leonardo.ai to make images from text. It's a fun and easy tool that can really add some pizzazz to your online content. So go ahead and give it a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.